This is Tajamuladal. The newly released Hohem iSteady M6 smartphone stabilizer boosts up magnetic light and cutting-edge AI face recognition technology. This impressive stabilizer is sure to bring a new level of quality to your content creation. The iSteady M6 smartphone stabilizer is designed for solo video creators, content creators and bloggers. Let's do an unboxing and I will share you its detailed review as well as feature it offers. Hohem's M6 has a sleek, stylish and ergonomic design, giving you stable, smooth and consistent footage that will raise the bars on your projects. First, let's open the box and get the iSteady M6 kit stabilizer. The first thing we notice is the magnetic mount for the fill light kit. I can't believe how tightly the light fit on top of the phone holder. The mini tripod should not be mounted with the M6 stabilizer that is included with the stabilizer kit. I am using a Samsung Galaxy A04, a 6.5-inch smartphone, and I am going to demonstrate how to place it properly horizontally and vertically. Taking a look at the iSteady M6 stabilizer, the power button is located on the right side and the display screen in front shows detailed information about the device. Honestly, I didn't set a balancing procedure for my 6.5-inch smartphone and it balanced it properly on its own. It is possible to adjust the horizontal and vertical position of the smartphone manually, and I have placed the smartphone in a horizontal position and adjusted it according to the grip. As I switch back on the M6 stabilizer, I can see how comfortably it holds the 6.4-inch smartphone. The camera has 4 working modes: pan follow, pan title follow, all lock and POV all follow. Hohem's iSteady M6 stabilizer is equipped with a 3-axis motor that offers a precious control to reduce any shaking or instability in your footage. There are 4 different gimbal shooting modes on the iSteady M6, just like the iSteady Mobile Plus. By default, the pan follow mode is selected. In addition to keeping the tilt axis locked, the M6 also follows any changes in the pan axis left to right. The roll axis is the only axis that is locked when using pan and tilt follow mode. As a result, your camera follows your movements and remains parallel to the ground at all times. Gimbals equipped with all lock modes keep the camera's orientation fixed in position by locking all 3 axes. The front panel has a joystick that can be rotated left to right, up and down and vice versa. You can also change the balance position by clicking on the back button. We find the lock mode on the back of the M6 gimbal as well as a power button, USB-C port and screw for mounting other accessories. We have a big bright display on the front and a big wheel with a click button in the middle and a B motion speed button on the left. With the zoom level feature on the iSteady M6 gimbal, zooming in and zooming out take a few seconds. The iSteady M6 has a focus level shifter on the left side and you can adjust the focus by rotating the wheel. Having installed the Hohem Joy in my smartphone, you can find the app link of Apple Store and Play Store in the video description. Let's take a look at its features. When the smartphone is in Bluetooth mode, pair it with the iSteady M6 stabilizer and click the orange shutter button in the middle. To start with, let's click on the settings button on the left bottom and then we will see the working mode options on top. In addition, we have 3 follow speed options: slow, general and medium. There are 3 options for motor response: low, medium and high. We have added a new option called A to B motion duration, where there are multiple options like 1 minute, 6 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. Let's explore the up and down joystick speed option, which has 3 settings: low, medium and high. In this category, we have multiple options for camera parameter settings. Lastly, we have some information about firmware, device names and other version numbers. I am now going to show you video resolution settings that are based on a smartphone camera. In addition to time-lapse, panorama, video, photo and movement effects, we have a selection of other options on the camera right side. The first feature I will show you is a panoramic video. When you click on the video button, the camera sets a 3-second timer and we then show the video result along with how it is shot. I am now showing the new AI vision sensor and AI face tracking mode that only works with the magnetic fill light on top of the phone holder. You can use the OK button to start the follow mode and see if it follows you as you move left or right, even from top to bottom. If you would like to stop the video, use the palm of your hand. This will stop the follow mode. In the big wheel, click the middle button to manually activate the AI fill light. Previously, I enabled palm mode for the AI vision sensor, but this time I didn't enable palm mode and I am going to see if it works properly. The palm orange button has been enabled. As seen in the video, by using an L shape, you can enable the green light on the top AI vision sensor as well as the timer for video recording and AI face tracking. Perhaps it's not working because I'm using a budget smartphone, or maybe I don't know why the recording of the video didn't stop when I use a full palm gesture. The iSteady M6 has a rechargeable battery capacity of 2600 mAh. It is possible to run the battery continuously up to 18 hours on a single charge. To help you capture shots, it is also adjustable from any angle and rotate up to 360 degrees. I have used the USB-C to USB-C cable in the M6 kit to charge my smartphone. It works flawlessly. I am showing you the cool Inception effect here as well as how the smartphone reacts while recording. Now showing you another cool feature, which is fantastic rotation. As you can see, iSteady M6 holds the smartphone so perfectly, and see the video result. Using the Hohem M6 3-axis stabilizer, you can create the endless creative possibilities. I have created a short to show you how it can help you while vlogging or content creation. Hohem's M6 stabilizer is a great tool for solo video creators or content creators. With its great build quality and ergonomic grip, it's a perfect tool to help you to capture professional quality footage. I have shared a $40 discount code here, and the buying links you can find in the video description. If you are interested in longer selfie stick, then click on this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in this video.